Survey programming. This resource covers best practices for programming a survey using computer-assisted personal interview (CAPI) software. Essentials. Survey programming cycle. Planning. Having a plan in place before the survey launches means that you won't have to create and implement a plan for addressing changes while the survey is live. Programming. Use this formatting as a way of standardizing surveyors' interviewing processes. For example, if a multiple-choice question is bolded, it means surveyors need to read all options out loud to the respondent before soliciting an answer. Soft constraints add additional questions to the survey when a response is odd. You said your household income was $100. It is easy to introduce constraints that hamper data collection. Alternative answers for required questions. Example. In Survey CTO, this concept is called relevance. The surveyor manual should include all the details needed for surveyors to understand and ask questions in the same way. $#, for example, $#. If you have formatted text to appear in certain ways, like bold text to indicate the surveyor should read all answers to the question before soliciting a response, explain what that formatting indicates. Keeping these values consistent throughout the survey will make it easier to identify and clean different types of missing data. This style of coding binary questions makes the variable more intuitive to interpret. For example, the mean of the variables is the percentage of respondents who affirm the question. Testing. Constraints. If the question has a constraint, check edge cases and outliers. $#, for example, $#. If you constrain age to be between 0 and 100, try entering -1, -1000, 101, 1000. Modifying questions in an ongoing survey. This means that you will not be able to access any responses to a question if you update the survey and remove the question. Survey platforms. Blaze, it seems very flexible, supports mixed-mode surveys. $#, for example, $#. A survey could have parts that are done via phone and computer, and has several charter features such as an automatic dialer.